Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix EA Sports College Football 27 10-hour free trial isn't working on PC. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes very carefully. Now before performing the fixes, let us know what problem are actually players are reporting. Now please take a note, the free trial was started on 2nd July 2026. The most common complaint from the PC users: players receiving messages that the game hasn't been released yet despite having an active EA Play membership. Players are reporting that EA app isn't recognizing their trial access. Steam users says that the preload failed to unpack properly, leaving the game's trial executable missing from the installation folder. EA Play Pro members have also reported seeing a later release date instead of being able to launch the trial immediately. So what fixes that you can try? Fix one is to restart your PC. So simply restart your PC, and once your PC restart, go ahead, try to launch the game and check. Fix 2 is to restart the launcher to refresh the game entitlement. So if you are on the EA app, then simply restart your EA app. So close the EA app completely from your PC and then restart the EA app and then try to launch the game and check. And if you are on Steam, then simply close the Steam, make sure it is completely closed, then restart your Steam and then launch the game and check. Fix 3 is to launch the game from the game installation folder. So launching the college fb27 underscore trial.exe file directly from the game installation folder instead of opening the game from the Steam or EA app. So if you are on Steam, then go to C drive, program files x86, Steam, Steam apps common, college football 27 game folder. And if you are on EA app, then go to C drive, program files, electronic arts, EA games, college football 27 game folder. Now look for and double click on college fb27 underscore trial exe file and then try to launch the game and check. Fix 4 is to allow Steam to unpack the game properly. So simply allow the Steam to finish unpacking the preload before attempting to launch the game. Alternatively, there is another solution which can be found in subreddit. It is mentioned over here: blocked out of 10-hour EA Play trial on PC with signed in account requires EA Play subscription while having an active EA Play account. So one user have mentioned over here, I reset my PC and now it works for EA app. Another player replying it, you're a legend, this worked. So resetting the PC also worked for many players. Also mentioned over here, I just restarted my PC and it works now. So these are some of the fixes that you can try to fix EA Sports College Football 27 10-hour free trial isn't working problem on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.